Hi guys, we are creating a 3D modeling course for you, which will be based on Blender. Many of you have been requesting a platform to learn 3D modeling, access quality videos, and find good concepts to learn for free. About the course, this course will start with the basics of modeling. We'll teach you Blender's basic tools. Not only will we explain the tools, but unlike others, we will also teach you how to model step by step. You'll gain basic knowledge of texturing, including how to do texturing in Blender. Why Blender? Blender is a lightweight software that works on almost any PC. You can check Blender's system requirements on its official website. It can run smoothly on systems with at least 8 GB of RAM. However, as your model size increases, Blender might get a bit heavy, but overall, it's a great tool. One more great feature of Blender is its versatility. If you know texturing in Blender, you don't need other software. Many users rely on software like Maya, 3ds Max, or Adobe Substance Painter for modeling and texturing. But with Blender, you can do both texturing and animation. You can even create complete cartoon animations in Blender. Advanced levels. For creating advanced animations and models, you'll need to reach a higher skill level, which we will also cover in future lessons. It might take some time, but we will guide you step by step. Getting started. If you're eager to learn 3D modeling, all you need to do is subscribe to this channel and share the videos with your friends. We are gradually building this course, and as soon as each video is ready, it will be uploaded. In the basic course, you will learn the basics of modeling, working with materials, UV unwrapping, basic scripting tools. In the future, we'll also create an intermediate level course, a tip for success. To get better, you need to practice consistently. Initially, it might feel difficult, but as you practice, it will become easier. So guys, we'll see you in the next lesson. Take care and bye-bye for now.